Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix we are unable to successfully update because a file is currently in use error League of Legends. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go File Explorer, open File Explorer, open C drive, then select program files. In this you search right folder, then delete from here. After deleting, close this window, go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, then click on yes. These all commands are available in my video description. Copy and paste one by one. After doing this, close this window, then restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.